Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Syncwire braided USB-C to Lightning sync and charge cable. And this is fast charging because it has the USB-C on one end and Lightning on the other. So you can charge Apple devices that have the Lightning up to 18 watts with this. And Syncwire also makes a power delivery charger that fits right here with the USB-C at 18 watts. And we'll show you a little bit more about this charger a little bit later. But here's the end for Lightning right there. And then the USB-C is also fully reversible. And then this is braided, and it comes with a nice Velcro catch built onto the cable. So you can bundle it all up once you take these off. And you can get these on Amazon. This is from Syncwire. This is a 6.5 foot cable, or 2 meters, and it's made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.